Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see how to export and import all masters in Tally Prime application. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Let's see. Here we are going to export all masters means we are going to export account master, inventory masters, payroll masters from one company to another company or from old company to new company or previous financial year to current financial year. Now let's see practically in Tally Prime application. In this Tally application, we can able to see the company already loaded. This company data belong to financial year 1/4/2022 31st March 2021. We are going to import all masters along with that opening balance in current financial year company 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. Let's see financial report balance sheet in detail format. By pressing Alt F1 we can able to see the detail format, or you need to click on F12 configure. In that configuration we need to select file format. Instead of contents we need to select detailed option. This report ledger closing balance only we are going to import as opening balance in current financial year company. By clicking escape button we are coming out of the screen. We are in Gateway of Tally screen. Now we are going to create a new company for current financial year. By pressing Alt K, we are going to create a company for financial year 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. Select country and state and book beginning from accept the screen. Company F11 features will be same enabled here as per the previous year company. We have to update only the GST number and accept the screen. Now we are ready to import all masters from previous year company along with the balance. Now we are going to select that previous year company. From this screen we are going to click on export option. We are going to export all masters, so you need to click on masters. By default Tally Prime application showing ledger export option. We need to change it by clicking on configure. Instead of ledger we need to select all masters. It will be including account master, inventory masters and payroll masters. Next, include dependent master, make it yes. Export closing balance as a opening balance, that also we need to make it yes. Next we need to select closing balance as on 31st March 2021. Export setting. File format should be XML data interchange. Export location you can define manually or by browsing that path. Export XML file we can able to change it manually by clicking on enter. Here we are going to type allmaster.xml. Once configuration done, click on enter. Now we are ready to export. Now click on E or send option in this screen. Exported XML file we can able to see in D drive Tally Prime folder. Next we have to select new company, which company we are going to import that master for current financial year 21-22. We are going to select here. Still now there is no transaction. Even master also not there. Get into alter ledger. Here we can able to see only cash and P&L account. This is preloaded ledger while creating new company. We are going to import master. Click on Alt O or import option. There is a master and transaction import is there. We are going to import masters. While importing master we have to define the path. By default Tally Prime folder only. We are going to select that XML file allmaster.xml. Next, behavior of import if master already exists. In this list of options we have to select modify with new data. Now importing all master along with the opening balance. Once complete the process we have to check opening balance in current financial year, not in the balance sheet. We have to check in trial balance. Is there any transaction is there in 1st April that will reflect in balance sheet, so we can't able to compare opening balance in balance sheet. From Gateway of Tally screen click on display report and trial balance, or you can go to option here. There also we can search for trial balance. Once open the trial balance, it by default will show you closing balance. If you want to enable opening balance, click on F12 configure. There you need to enable show opening balance yes. Click on detail option and save the screen. This report balance we can compare with that previous financial year closing balance value. Let's see key points to be remembered. First one, take data backup. Before doing any process, we have to take the data backup manually, internal or external drive for safer side. Next one, F11 features should be same in both the company. Third one, exporting file format should be XML data interchange format because we are going to export one company to another company within the Tally application. Fourth one, export closing balance as a opening balance. That option make it yes and define closing balance as on particular date. If you want to import in existing company, those cases you need to cross check that ledger master should be same in the both the company, then we can able to import it. Otherwise, there is a possibility of duplication of ledger master. I hope we have shared some value added information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day is something new to learn.